Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off the orange microphone on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to the recent apps section and remove all the apps which are running in the background. Now if this did not fix your issue, then open settings, then tap on privacy and security, and from here, you will find the option of microphone. Just tap on it. Now from here, just turn off the microphone access for any suspicious app that have the microphone access, so that the app will not be able to use the microphone on your iPhone. Now after you've done that, then go to your home screen and restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open settings, then tap on general. From here, just tap on software update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And as you can see, the software of our iPhone is up to date. And this is how you can turn off the orange microphone issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.